Hello guys, this is KJ Houston, weatherman, or meteorologist, I'll say weatherman. And today's a Friday, today, September 6th, 2024, and it's a hot one today. It's like almost 80 degrees and all that. It still feels like summer out here. Can you believe it? Feels exactly like summer out here. Almost. But tomorrow's gonna cool down, and the next week's supposed to be hot. It's gonna feel like summer. Woo! Must stay in your AC. Turn on your AC, and make sure you stay cool and drink cold water. And fall 2024 could be above average temperatures. Woohoo! Ooh. Enjoy your weather. Bye.